Hello boys and girls, welcome to today's maths class. In today's class we're going to do fractions, exercise 7C, second main question. This is found on page number 73. So let's begin with the second one, simplify question 1, which is 111 by 12 minus 13 by 16. So now we are starting with the subtraction. We follow the same rules as addition. So first step, we convert into an improper fraction. So 12 ones are 12 plus 11. 12 ones are 12 plus 11 will be 23 by 12 minus 13 by 16. So let's find the LCM of the denominators 12 and 16. 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s, I bring down 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, I continue with 3, I bring down 3, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 into 3, which is 48. So the LCM is 48. We're going to use that LCM as a common denominator to subtract these two unlike fractions. They are unlike fractions. That's why we had to find the LCM so that we make them like fractions. So now the denominator for both the fractions have become 48. Now 12 into what is 48? 12 4s are 48. So we multiply 23 also by 4. Let's multiply 23 by 4. 23 into 4. 4 3s are 12, we carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. So here we have 92 as our first numerator. Minus, we'll go to the second fraction. 16 into what is 48? 16 3s are 48. So let's multiply 13 also by 3. 13 3s are 39. Now let's subtract 92 and 39. So let's do that subtraction here. 92 minus 39. So 2 minus 9, we're going to borrow from here. 12 minus 9 is 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So we've got 53 by 48. As you can see, this is an improper fraction. So let's convert it to a mixed number. So 53 divided by 48. 48 ones are 48 minus, let's minus this. 13 minus 8 is 5. So we're going to use this quotient as our whole number 1. The remainder 5, we are going to use it as our numerator. And denominator is the same as in the question 48. So 1, 5 by 48 is our final answer. Okay, so I hope all of you got that. Second question. Let's convert. 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. We got 11 by 4 minus 6 1s are 6 plus 5 is also 11. 11 by 6. So let's find the LCM of 4 and 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 1 and 1. So LCM equals 2 into 2 into 3. Now 2 2s are 4 into 3 is 12. 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. So let's use 12 as a common denominator. 12. Let's go back to this. 4 into what is 12? 4 3s are 12. So multiply this also by 3. 11 3s are 33. Minus 6 2s are 12. So 11 2s are 22. So let's minus these two. 33 minus 22. So that is 11. So we've got 11 by 12 as our final answer. Next question is this. So let's first convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 by 7 plus 3 by 14 minus 13 by 21. So let's find the LCM of 7, 14 and 21. So I'll start with 2. I'll bring down 7. 2 7s are 14. I bring down 21. Now I can go to 7 itself. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. Then I go to 3, 1, 1 and 1. So my LCM is 2 into 7 into 3. That is 2 7s are 14. 14 into 3. Okay. 3 4s are 12, carry 1. 3 1s are 3, 4. So the LCM is 42. So let's use 42 as the common denominator for all three fractions. 42. Let's go to the first fraction. 7 into what is 42? 7 6s are 42. So let's multiply 19 also by 6. Let's multiply here. 19 into 6. 6 9s are 54, carry 5. 6 1s are 6 plus 5, 11. So 114. That is our first numerator. Let's go to the second one. 14 into 3 is 42. So let's multiply 3 also by 3. 3 3s are 9. So here there's a plus sign, so I'm going to leave it there. Then I have a minus sign. Now 21 into what is 42? 2. So 13 into 2 is 26. Okay, let's follow the rules that we followed earlier when you have addition and subtraction together. This has a plus sign. Add the numbers which have the same sign. So let's add up these two numbers. So 114 plus 9. Okay, so 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry 1, 2, 123. Now minus 26 from it. Minus 26. Now 3 minus 6. We cannot do, so we're going to borrow from here. 1, 13 minus 6 is 7. And here 1 minus 2, again we borrow from here, becomes 11 minus 2, which is 9. So we have 97 by 42. 97 by 42. Okay, now this is an improper fraction, so let's convert it to a mixed number. Let's divide 97 by 42. 42 into 2 will give us 84. So let's continue and see. 7 minus 4 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1. So what do we get? We're going to use the quotient as a whole number, the remainder as our numerator, and the denominator is going to be the same. So now we have 2 13 by 42 which is our final answer. Next one, 3 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. Let's convert. 6 3s are 18 plus 5, 23 by 6 minus 1 by 6 minus, convert, 12 ones are 12 plus 1, 13 by 12. So let's find the LCM of the denominators. There are two 6's. We'll write it only once, and 12. We can use 2. 2 3's are 6. 2 6's are 12. Again 2. I bring down 3. 2 3's are 6. Now I can use 3. 3 1's are 3. 3 1's are 3. So LCM equals 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2's are 4. 4 into 3. 4 3's are 12. So my LCM is 12. So let me use this LCM as my common denominator. So 12. Go to the first fraction. 6 2's are 12. So 23 into 2. You can multiply and see 46. Minus, again 6 2's are 12. So 1 2's are 2. Minus 12 1's are 12. So 13 1's are 13. Okay. Now add up the numbers with the same sign. So 46 has a plus sign. So let's add up these two numbers since they have the same sign. Okay, so we'll get plus 46. We'll write it as it is. Plus 46. Now here when signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 13 plus 2 is 15. 46 minus 15 by 12. So let's minus these two. When signs are the same, put the same sign and subtract. You can do the subtraction here. 46 minus 15. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So just put the sign of the bigger number. We put plus 31 by 12. Again, as you can see, it's an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. 31 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. So I'd use 12 twos this time. Okay. Let's subtract. 11 minus 4 is 7. So we're going to use the quotient as our whole number. The remainder as the numerator. Denominator is the same. So the final answer is 2, 7 by 12. The next question. 6 is a whole number. So we'll give it a denominator 6 by 1 plus 3 by 10 minus 15 ones are 15 plus 8 is 23. 15 plus 8 is 23 by 15. So let's find the LCM of 10 and 15. 10 and 15. 2 5's are 10. I bring down 15. You can use 5. 5 1's are 5. 5 3's are 15. I can use 3. 1 and 3 1's are 3. So LCM equals 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3's are 6 into 5. 6 5's are 30. So our LCM is 30. So let's use this as the common denominator. 30. Let's start. 1 into 30 is 30. So that's 30 there. So 6 into 30. 6 3's are 18. We have to just put 1 0 with it. 6 into 30 plus 10 3's are 30. So 3 3s are 9. Minus 15 2s are 30. So 23 2s are 46. Let's add up the numbers with the same sign. 180 plus 9 is 189. 189 minus 46 by 30. So let's minus 130, 89 and 46. 9 minus 6 is 3, 8 minus 4 is 4 and 1. So here we get 143. This is plus sign 143 by 30. Again we see it's an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. So let's divide 143 by 30. Okay, now we'll have to get a number close to 143. 30 into 4 is 120. 3 4s are 12, isn't it? So we add a 0. So you get 3. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 0. So our quotient 4 will now become the whole number. Remainder is going to be the numerator. And the denominator is the same as what's given in the previous step. So 423 by 30 is our final answer. The next sum, we have 3 mixed numbers here. Let's convert them all. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 4 plus 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 5 is 19 by 7 minus 14 ones are 14 plus 3, 17 by 40. Let's find the LCM. 4, 7 and 14 by 2. 2 twos are 4. I bring down 7. 2 sevens are 14. 2, 1. I bring down 7. Now I go on to 7. 1, 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 7. 2 twos are 4. 4 into 7 is 4 sevens are 28. So the LCM is 28. So let's use the LCM 28 as a common denominator. 28. 4 sevens are 28. Therefore, 7 sevens are 49. Plus 7 fours are 28. 19 fours. Let's multiply. 19 into 4. 4 nines are 36. Carry 3. 4 ones are 4. 5, 6, 7. 76. Minus. Now let's go to the next one, which is 14. 14 twos are 28. So 17 into 2. So you can multiply 17 into 2. 2 sevens are 14. Carry 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Get minus 34. Okay, now let's work out this. Add up the numbers which have the same sign. 49 has a plus sign, so let's add up these two. 49 plus 76. 6 plus 9 is 15, carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So we've got 125. Now minus 34. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 3 you can't, you borrow. 12 minus 3 is 9. So we've got 91. So this becomes 91 by 28, which is an improper fraction. We need to convert it to a mixed number. So let's do that. Let's divide 91 by 28. Shall we try 28 into 3? 3 8s are 24, carry 2. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Okay, I think we can use this. So 28 into 3 is 84. Let's minus. I have to borrow again. So 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. 8 minus 8 is 0. So now I'm going to make my mixed number. 3 is going to become my whole number. 7 is going to become my numerator. And the denominator is the same as in the previous one. Okay, so I've got 3 7 by 28. If you look carefully, the fraction 7 by 28 can be reduced to the lowest term. So let's try that and see. Let me work that out here and show it to you how we can reduce 7 by 28 to the lowest term. So 7 by 28 are both divisible by 7 itself. Both are divisible by 7. So what do I get? 7 ones are 7 and 7 fours are 28. I get 1 by 4. So for my final answer, my whole number will remain as 3. My fraction 7 by 28 has now become 1 by 4. So the final answer is 3 1 by 4. Question 7. 4 is a whole number by itself, so let's make it a fraction by giving it the denominator 1. Plus, convert this, 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 8 minus, let's convert, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 6. Now we have to find the LCM of the denominators 8 and 6. We don't have to find 1 because it's going to give us the same answer even if we don't put 1. Let's start with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4 and you bring down 3. 2 1s are 2, you bring down 3. Now 3, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So what is our LCM? 24, which we are going to use as our common denominator 24. So let's start. 1 into 24 is 24. So 4 into 24. What is it? Let's multiply. 24 into 4. 4 4s are 16, carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Got 96. So 96 plus, let's go to the next fraction and see. 8 into what will give us 24. 8 3s are 24. So 25 3s are, let's multiply. 25 into 3. 3 5s are 15, carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So we've got 75. Now let's take the last fraction. 6 4s are 24. So 19 into 4 is how much? 19 into 4. 4 9s are 36. We carry 3. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is 76 minus 76. Okay. Now first thing we're going to do is we're going to add up the numbers with the same sign. So this has a plus sign, so add up these two. So we get 96 plus 75. 6 plus 5 is 11, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 7, 17. Minus 76. We need to borrow here, so this becomes 6 and this becomes 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Again, we can't do 6 and 7, so we borrow. 16 minus 7 is 9. So we've got 95 by 24. So again, it's an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. Now we're going to divide 95 by 24. Okay, now we have to get a number close to 95. We should know the tables of 24 and get a number close to 95. Let's try 24 into 3. 3 fours are 12, carry 1. 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. So 24 into 3 is 72. Subtract 5 minus 2 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. So we've got this as our whole number, which is 3. This is going to be our numerator, 23 by 24. So our final answer is 323 by 24. Next question. 6, we'll make it a fraction by 1 minus, convert 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 minus, convert 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, 11 by 5. Let's find the LCM of 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 1s are 2. I bring down 5. Now I go to 5. 1. 5 1s are 5. So LCM equals 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay, so we're going to use 10 as our common denominator and get the new numerators. 1 into 10 is 10. So 6 10s are 60. Minus 2 5s are 10. So 7 5s are 35. Minus 5 2s are 10. So 11 2s are 22. Let's add up the numbers with the same sign. This has a plus sign. These two have a minus sign. So let's add it up. So 35 plus 22. We get 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus, we've got 57 here when we added up these two. Okay, now let's write down the numbers here. 60, we write it as it is. When signs are the same, we put the same sign and write the answer, 57, divided by 10, which is equal to 60 minus 57 is simply 3. 3 by 10. So our final answer is 3 by 10. Ninth one. Let's convert 8 ones are 8 plus 5, 13 by 8 minus, convert 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 13 by 6 plus, convert 4 threes are 12 plus 3, 15 by 4. Okay, now the LCM of 8, 6 and 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 again, 2 2s are 4. We bring down 3, 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. You bring down 3. Now 3 1s, 3 1s are 3, 1. Now LCM equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So let's multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So our LCM is 24. Let's use that as the common denominator, 24. Go to the first fraction. 8 3s are 24. So 13 3s are 39. Minus 6 4s are 24. 13 4s are, let's multiply. 13 into 4. 4 3s are 12, carry 1. 4 1s are 4, plus 1, 5. 52. plus 4 6s are 24. So 15 into 6. Let's multiply 15 into 6 and see. 15 into 6. 6 5s are 30, carry 3. 6 1s are 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got 90. Now let's add up the numbers which have the same sign. So this has a plus sign. 39 has a plus sign and 90 has a plus sign. So we need to add up these two numbers. So 39 plus 90. So that becomes 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 129. Now minus 52 from this. 9 minus 2 is 7. 2 minus 5 I can't do, so I borrow. 12 minus 5 is also 7. So here we've got 77 by 24. Again, it's an improper fraction, so let's convert it to a mixed number. 77 divided by 24. Let's do 24 into 3. 3 4s are 12, carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So 24 into 3 is 72 minus 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 7 is 0. So we're going to use the quotient as the whole number, the remainder as the numerator, and the denominator is the same as the previous step. So our final answer is 3 5 by 24. 10th one. Let's convert. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2 plus 3 1s are 3, 4 5. 5 by 3 minus 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. Okay, the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Let's start with 2. 2 1s are 2. I bring down 3. 2 2s are 4. I continue with 2. 1, 3. 2 1s are 2. Then with 3, I bring down 1. 3 1s are 3. 1. Now my LCM equals 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So my LCM is 12. So let me use 12 as a common denominator and get the new numerators. 2 6s are 12, 7 6s are 42, plus 3 4s are 12, so 5 4s are 20, minus 4 3s are 12, so 9 3s are 27. Let's add up the numbers with the same sign. This is a plus sign, so add up these two. 42 plus 20. 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. I get 62 minus 27. Okay, so let's borrow. This becomes 5. This becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So I get 35. So this becomes 35 by 12. It's an improper fraction. So let's convert it to a mixed number. Divide 35 by 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. So 12 2s are 24. Minus 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so we've got 11 there. This is equal to, use this as the whole number, 11 as your numerator and denominator is 12. So our final answer is 211 by 12. Our last sum, we have 4 fractions here. 5 4s are 20 plus 3 is 23 by 5 minus 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 7 is 25 by 9. Again we have a minus. 15 ones are 15 plus 2, 17 by 15. Again a minus, 2 by 45. Okay, so let's find the LCM of all these denominators: 5, 9, 15 and 45. Okay, we can use 5 itself. 5 ones are 5. I bring down 9. 5 threes are 15. 5 nines are 45. Now I can use 3. 1. 3 threes are 9. 1. 3 threes are 9. Then I bring down 3. 1. 3 ones are 3. 1 and 1. Okay, so our LCM equals 5 into 3 into 3, which is 5 into 3 threes are 9. 5 nines are 45. So our LCM is 45. So now we're going to use LCM 45 as a common denominator for all these. Okay, 5 nines are 45. So we need to multiply 23 also by 9. So 23 into 9. 9 threes are 27. You carry 2. 9 twos are 18 plus 2, 20. So that becomes 207 minus 9 fives are 45. So I multiply 25 by 5. So let's multiply 25 by 5. 25 into 5. 5 fives are 25, carry 2. 5 twos are 10, 11, 12. So I've got 125. Now minus again. We'll go to the third fraction. 15 threes are 45. So I multiply 17 by 3. 17 into 3. 3 sevens are 21, carry 2. 3 ones are 3, 4, 5. So I get 51 minus the last one, 45 into 1. So 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Okay, now since we have 4 numbers here, let's be a little careful. Take the numbers which have the same sign. Now this has a plus sign. All the others have a minus sign. So let's add up these 3 numbers. So we have 125, 51 and 2. Let's add up all 3. 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 5 is 7 and 1. Now minus 207. Now how do we do that? So here we get plus 207 minus 178 by 45. Okay, so when signs are different, we put the sign of the bigger number and we do normal subtraction. So we multiply 207 and 178. Let's subtract. Now 7 is smaller, so we have to borrow, but that's also small, so we borrow from here 1. This is 10, which becomes 9, and this becomes 17. So 17 minus 8 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this becomes 29 by 45. This cannot be reduced further. So this is my final answer, 29 by 45. So with that, we have come to the end of exercise 7C. Our next video, we will do fractions, exercise 7D. Thank you.